Midnight Madness texture paste, Unicorn Dreams texture paste, Golden Dragon texture paste, reactive foils in the color red and pink, Stitched Clouds dies, Grass Border die, and Fera's die. Indian Dancer stencils, couple silhouette stencils, some note cards now, A2 card size of 250 GSM. These are called notelets, and these are for side folding cards, and they come with envelopes as well. This is the 300 GSM version of the same notelet. These are again A2 card size notelets, but these are for top folding cards, and this is the 300 GSM version of the same notelet, of the top folding card notelet. These are some notelets for your slimline cards. This is the 250 GSM slimline card notelets, and this is the 300 GSM version of the same notelets. These two come with matching size envelopes. Those are all the goodies I received for this month's DT kit by Craft Angles. Can't wait to make new projects out of them and try out some of these new products. Keep watching. Bye.